In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send money Nexuspay to Bkash. Sending money from Nexuspay to Bkash in 2025 is a smooth process since both platforms are widely integrated into Bangladesh's digital financial ecosystem. Nexuspay, powered by Dutch Bangla Bank DBBL, allows users to link their bank account and send funds directly to a Bkash wallet, which is one of the most popular mobile money services in the country. To start, open the Nexuspay app on your smartphone and log in with your PIN or biometric authentication. On the home screen, select the Send Money option, where you'll be able to choose between sending to another Nexuspay user or transferring to a Bkash number. Enter the recipient's Bkash mobile number carefully, and then type in the amount you want to send. Make sure the number is correct since transactions are usually instant and cannot be reversed. Once you have entered the details, the app will show you a summary page displaying the recipient's number, transfer amount, and any applicable fees. Review the information, and if everything looks correct, proceed by confirming the transaction with your Nexuspay PIN. The system will process the transfer, and within moments, the recipient will receive the money directly in their Bkash wallet. Both you and the recipient should receive an SMS confirmation of the successful transaction. It's important to ensure that your Nexuspay account is linked with your DBBL account and has enough balance to cover both the transfer and any associated service fees. If this is your first time sending money to Bkash from Nexuspay, you might also want to check transaction limits, since daily and monthly caps may apply depending on your account type. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.